Hi Blake, here's a short video of your F14 board repaired, the special solenoid circuit and NVRAM installed. There was several issues on this board we talked about. Anyway, the game right now is working. It's in attract mode. If you see the displays flickering, that's just because of the lighting in the room. They're solid. And here's all the controlled lamps and everything working. Now we'll go ahead and start playing the game so you can hear and see it working. Sorry. Alright. Anyway, you can see the slingshots and all the special solenoids and everything are working just fine. Flash lamps, everything's working great. Sounds, everything.